Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and what's been practical in this tutorial. If you're having the problem of 5000 limitation friend on a Facebook, or it thinks that you are unable to add further or any more friends on Facebooks because you have a list of 5000, then either it is from the request side to confirm, or either you are adding to anyone, so the particulars, then what's the best setting to especially cross or remove or terminate some of this limitation on your Facebook? Yes, we will see alternative and what are the essential changes. So let's see. The firstly, we are having the confirmation side also, that see here, unable to add a friend. So because this friend has been, there is the 5000 friends limit, so can't add anymore. And similarly, if I add here, they're also having this kind of the problem that you have the rest of this. So what are the changes I have done now? And of course, we have the cross more than 5000 on 2-3 accounts, and on this particular, let's say as a education purpose, that you cannot go in these positions to the face this kind of issues, guys. So what we will do, just we will have to back here, guys. If you are having this problem, so then of course we will have to back, click on here, just to tap on it, and upon after tapping, so just we will have to tap on 3 dot. So if we tap on a 3 dot, then here, see, here is not options, just we will backs, and once again let's tap, guys, a little bit just on setting the menu of this thing. So we will have to go for, and upon here we have options that try to check it out that your ID has been turned in the professional account or not, otherwise you will have the problem. So turning from the individual account to professional accounts, this is very crucial step that we will have to do. So how do I do that? Yes, here the first and foremost we will have to go, because the individual accounts limitation is the thing, but if you go in the professional accounts, then of course this limitation will be removed from Facebook. So your limit on a Facebook, so that we can see here on this your limit on a Facebook. So just we will go for here to see everything and go for see the setting, etc, etc. But right now personally, let's see, without going through there, we have one options that is here, how people can find out you the contacts, how people can find and contact you. Just we will tap on it. So the before there also there was a professional mode, but I'm telling you guys, just a friend of friend. If we tap on a friend of friends, then we will have to go for everyone, so that anyone who can contacts anyone who can, of course. So we have the elected here. Now we will go for save it. When we tap on the saves, now who can see your friends list? Publics. Then yeah, of course, don't select the only me, don't select the specific friends, don't select the especially friends I accept, and don't select the especially I'm the friends. Just we will have to select these publics and the phone, tap on it. Now what we will do, guys, here just to simply we will back and back to here professional mode. Just we will tap on it. So here is already professional mode is enabled, but if it is not enabled, then you will have to go in the profile detail there, make it enable of the professional detail. Right now if I cannot enable, guys, because it's already enabled. So if we go for, then it will be turned off, and after turning off, then once again we can enable. So that's why for saving time here. So now here is a one option also, that's the follower and public content, that should be in a publics. Now one thing also that's crucial important here, guys, just I'm telling you, just people can, how can people the contacts, and this thing also, this one we have to. Now second thing is that here, let me have these things. Second is people can, and of course follower, yeah, here the follower and public contents that I have already mentioned to you, this will be in a public domain. So who can follow me? Who can follow means anyone who can follow you. Yeah, so just we will keep it this in public. It should be in a public. So don't click on individuals or friends of the friends and things. Just that should be. So when you will come on here, then there will be option also the professional mode. Yeah, now here you can see your profile is now set to up to this, and this is the professional mode. So already, so you will have to make it enable 2-3 times, and then everything will be enable of the professional mode, and it will be converted in the professional. So now we have already done. Now see, here is also that who can see the people, pages, and the flows. So everything's just to do it in the publics, so that in the it would be in a public domain, no restrictions for anyone who can visit, and you can of course have the request of the friends, especially more, and the more especially in the post, and that should be in the public also. The professional mode is already done, so guys. Now tagging anyone, so of course no problem at all. These crucial two step that should be in the public, so we have done already, so that's why here is having. Now we back in this especially. Let's see. Now if we tap on it, guys, now see I have the rest of the 45s in this currently 5,000, and there further also will be able to. So now if we see that we have the already changes, then go for the confirmation of these things, then I will tap on here and see if I go for the confirms this one. So now see it has been accepted. There is no request, and your request has been accepted. So that's why I'm saying so, the guys here. So if we go for here the request, we are having the friendship request, and now of course these friends request has been accepted. So by these changes, of course, and this can be the possible to the accept of it. Here is a 5,000, it has been raised. So this reaching is from the other side, but yes, similarly this can be also from this side, but on a particular account we are having. But now see here, if we go for here the confirms, now it has been accepted. So this is all about furthermore any inquiry. Of course I had a query below the comment box, in the pleasure would demands to reply your query. How do you recover these kind of, especially password resettings, anything, and then of course you can raise the query below the comment box. We'll make the tutorial of how it. This is all about. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.